Hey everyone, and welcome back to The Wanderers. Today, we're taking you to the heart of Hong Kong Disneyland for a full POV ride on one of the park's most unique and magical attractions, Mystic Manor. Opened in 2013, Mystic Manor brings Disney storytelling to life with a stunning mix of trackless ride technology, state-of-the-art special effects, and a custom musical score. The story follows Lord Henry Mystic and his mischievous monkey companion Albert as they unlock the secrets of a mysterious enchanted music box. And chaos unfolds from there. Filmed in full 4K, this video lets you experience every twist, turn, and magical moment like you're right there in the carriage with us. So sit back, enjoy the ride. And if you love theme park adventures and immersive experiences like this, don't forget to give this video a like, leave us a comment with your favorite scene, and of course, hit that subscribe button to join us for more journeys from around the world. Let's dive into the mystery. This is Mystic Manor.
Home to a world-class collection of art, antiquities, and my personal residence. I am Lord Henry Mystic. The young fellow at my side is Albert, my travelling companion, confidant, and rather mischievous Albert. Yes, Albert, that's you. Now run along. Well, for several years now, Albert and I have travelled the world in search of rare and precious artifacts for you to enjoy as you tour our home in Mystic Manor. These are just a few of our treasures. And here's our latest acquisition, an ancient music box. Legend has it that this charming music box has the power to bring inanimate objects to life with a touch of its enchanting music. Superstition and nonsense. Oh my. Well, we shall see when we open it, shan't we? Albert, the little fellow can't keep his hands off that music box. Yes, you like that box, don't you? We'll examine it later. Now, sure. Now, what was I saying? Oh, yes. Welcome, one and all, to Mystic Manor. I better go find the little beggar. He's always up to something. Looking for... Oh, there's the music box I did you? You never know. Legend just might be true. Well, I do hope you've enjoyed your visit to Mystic Manor. Cheerio!
And that wraps up our magical journey through Mystic Manor. Thanks so much for riding along with us. If you enjoyed the adventure, be sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing experiences from the Wanderers. See you in the next one.